Distance Learning College and Training differs from the other major suppliers in this industry in as much as our tutors are all industry based. They all come from an industry background. They've worked their way up through the different levels of management and therefore can understand really what the student is going through as they're going through the different levels of the courses.
We get a lot of different inquiries through. We get international, we get within the UK, we get students who are very new to the industry, just wanting to touch on management, team leaders, supervisors, and then we go to the other end of the scale where we've got people with 20 years experience and are in senior management positions. Similar with our international students, we have students from 47 countries, Singapore to South Africa, and again their experience can be very, very little, or they can be senior managers in major blue chip companies.
What we can offer is hands-on tutor, face-to-face with the student. Now we also offer, as well as the calls, monitoring, marking, we also run workshops where the student can come in with set questions and discuss direct face-to-face with the tutor.
I decided to come on the course because my company would sponsor me to do the Purchase and Supply course in the Chartered Institute of Purchase and Supply to further my career, to get a qualification to support all the experience that I've had working with the company as well. The course basically is like 5 units, which you work through unit by unit. There's exams every 3 months, but I'm currently doing distance learning, which is you get the textbooks, you read them at home, and there's self-questions, but the tutor's always there, email, phone. You can even drop into the Learning Centre or these open days to get some help, feedback on all the work that you can submit as well.
The workshops are a good way of, one, getting to see the student and for the student to get to see the tutor, but more importantly, for the student to meet other students who are studying the same courses as them so they can talk through the courses, talk through how they've approached the studies, understand the issues surrounding the studies from different perspectives. So we have private sector workers, we have public sector workers, and it's good for those to see how issues such as purchasing or how supplies can be different in those two market sectors. So really it's not just meeting the tutors, it's also about networking and understanding how other people can get through the difficulties of distance learning.
The skills that I've learned I can put directly into my job. It's given me greater confidence in speaking with suppliers and other things that the course has covered. It's been enjoyable and while earning money and studying, which is perfect.
Ongoing, I think more and more employers are going to be looking for people with recognised professional qualifications, looking at industry standards, looking at the best way to do something, looking at the best operations, because what they'll be looking for are people to improve their organisations. At the moment, we're going through these austerity measures where people are looking for cost savings and they're looking to be more competitive and proactive when we do come out of the recession. And these qualifications are going to help individuals and help organisations and make them more competitive in the outside world.
Our objectives within the next 6 months within Distance Learning College and Training are to become the prime choice for distance learning training within the country. Currently, our major competitors in this field are offering a completely different system to what we're offering. What we've got to do is encourage our students to understand that all of our tutors are qualified up to degree level, some of them even with masters and PhDs, and therefore we offer the student a far better choice, range and experience than any other competitor currently in the marketplace.